This is an ARB attachment, um, tractor attachment for road cleaning. Completely designed and manufactured by ARB attachment in India. It is completely operated with hydropower. The hydropower comes from the hydraulic of tractor. No external hydropower is needed. Everything is taken from existing tractor. You see, we are using it on an international Mahindra tractor. It is running very good, and success rate is very good. And we are having a water sprinkler also included in this product. It is a new enhancement that we have made, so that the water is sprinkled, the dust are consolidated, so that the flying of the dust is reduced. It is a road cleaner for the tractor. It is used in construction and road construction machinery business. We use hydro motors, and we use one, what I'm showing you right now is the control cylinder to open the lid on the front, so that all the collected dust can be put out. Completely hydraulic based, very useful if you are planning to clean a large area of roads, and it should be with the tractor. So this is the best solution for cleaning any road and sweeping. It's called road sweeper for tractor. We are the only one manufacturing in Tamil Nadu, and designed it, tested it, and successfully sold to a lot of construction companies, bridges making companies here in Tamil Nadu. If you are interested, call the number or visit our website, and we will be more than happy to assist you. We have 24 hours technical support. It's a very well made machine, designed and made, manufactured right here in Tamil Nadu. It is a design copy of Spain. It is originally it is designed in Spain, and now we are making in India, because importing from Spain and all this is a very cumbersome issue. So we have started making here in India and selling them. Completely manufactured, designed by ARB attachment in India. All hydraulics are from Turkey. Tubes is hydro pipes, hose is all from very good companies, and we guarantee for 3 years. Any burst, any crack, anything, we can do the servicing. I hope you understand how it works by looking at it. And so you see, now I'm showing you the sprinkler. The sprinkler is very useful for accumulating the dust, so that the dust is not flying away too much. And working hours is unlimited work hours. There is no limit to amount of work it can perform, and amount of hours it can be continuously operated. It can be operated for 24 hours, 7 days a week also, if necessary. In between 3 hours of work, if you can give like 2 hours or 1 hour of break, that will be great for the machine life. But we don't recommend, it doesn't require at all. It can continuously work 24 hours, 3 days a week. And if there is anything, any questions, feel free to contact us guys. Thank you. Bye.